Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we'll learn about Python PIP, the package manager for Python. So what is PIP? PIP stands for packages which installs in Python. It helps us install, update and remove Python libraries easily. What is a package? A package is a collection of modules that provide specific functionality like data processing, web development or machine learning. So firstly, let's check if pip is installed or not. So by pip version, this will tell us the pip is installed or not. If you see a version number, pip is installed. So here we can see the pip is installed in our system. Now let's see installing package, that how we install package. So for this we'll write pip install and the package name which we need to install. So for here I am installing camel case. So this downloads and install the package from pip installer package. So let's see the output. So here we can see as we have already installed the library. So this gives us that we have already installed. So now let's use this installed package. So for this we'll import the library. So in this example, this will convert text into camel case. So let's see the output. So here we can see the output. Now we'll see all the packages installed with a list. So for that we'll write pip list. So this will give us all the packages installed. So here we can see the number of packages installed with the version number as well. Now what if we want to remove or uninstall a package? So for that we have to write pip uninstall and the package name. So this will uninstall the package. So what describes pip best? Pip is a package manager for Python modules. So today we learned what pip is, how to check version, install packages, use them and uninstall them. That's all about pip. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials and thanks for watching today's video.